Motivation can start something, but commitment is the thing that drives to the end. Commitment is an act, not a word. You should prove by doing. Any action or any other thing should not be perfect. It's not necessary. But the commitment should be perfect. It should be 100%. No matter what is the situation, maybe you are in hell, maybe you are in heaven. No matter whether the situation is good or bad, you should be able to give your 100% commitment. Commitment is being loyal to your decision, to your words. No commitment, no success. It's that much easy. We have to do different commitments during our lives. Maybe family commitment, friends, relationship kind commitments, or for your career wise commitments, or sometimes financial commitments. We have to do. Being excellence and mediocrity. Difference between these two is commitment. Success always comes after a priceless commitment. It's always keep reminding about your goals, dreams, or your purpose of your life. Every dream has a price, and you should pay it with 100% commitment. It's either committed or not. In between these two, nothing going to work. In your life, you have dream list or a priority list. Depending on the priority or the size of your dream, commitment is different. I'll explain it like this. If you want to buy a Ferrari, you have to give the price for a Ferrari, not price for a Toyota. You cannot afford a Ferrari to a price of Toyota. You have to pay the price for the Ferrari. Likewise, it's that simple. If you need a Ferrari, you have to pay the price for a Ferrari. If you are paying price for a Toyota and expecting Ferrari, this will never work. So same applies to our dreams or any other things. If you have a bigger dream, commitment is always bigger and it's non-negotiable. Most of the time you fail, not because of you don't have the desire, but you are not able to give the 100% commitment. That is the reason, not your desire or anything else. Best commitment you can give is to your personal development. If commitment to your dream or purpose, I assure you can have a better, greater life, greater dream. American author and motivational speaker Tony Robbins says, "If I am committed, there's always a way," and it's true. Commitment is the thing that transforms any promise or a decision into a reality, an action. Foundation to great accomplishment is commitment. If there is no commitment, there will be only promises and hopes, no action or no plan. Motivation can start something, but commitment is the thing that drives to the end. Commitment is an act, not a word. You should prove by doing. Any action or any other thing should not be perfect. It's not necessary. But the commitment should be perfect. It should be 100%. No matter what is the situation, maybe you are in hell, maybe you are in heaven. No matter whether the situation is good or bad, you should be able to give your 100% commitment. Both excuses and commitment don't work together. They can't meet in the same path. And remember, every success story has a commitment story behind. And most of us don't know the commitment story. So today, now, at this point, it's the best moment to you to start writing your commitment story. If you have missed it or if you have given them up, just start it again. Start to rewrite your commitment story. You will have a better successful story in future. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that I can come to you when I am needed and give some motivation and inspiration. Finally, I have one thing to ask. Are you ready to write your commitment story? And are you ready to start it right now? Comment here. That's the first step.